Software is never ready. Requirements basically never complete. The answer? Let's do it agile. That's good for the development, but might not work out so well for IT operations with a focus on reliability. This is where DevOps comes into play. It's a set of practices and work culture that combines software development and IT operations by breaking down structures and cross-training each team. It focuses on the boundaries of culture and roles, just as agile development focuses on process. DevOps seeks to identify and eliminate obstructions with a goal to shorten a system's development lifecycle and provide continuous delivery with high software quality. Oh, and by the way, two practices that get often wrongly used interchangeably with DevOps are continuous integration and continuous delivery. Both are usually integral parts of, but not equal to DevOps, so please do not make that mistake. While CI/CD is about software-defined lifecycles highlighting tools and emphasize automation, DevOps focuses on culture, highlighting in roles that emphasize responsiveness and nurture high-quality collaboration. TLDR, DevOps delivers better software faster. I will talk more about other ops practices and the differences in upcoming videos. Till then, have a nice day. Cheers.